is Sam Mahalingam. I'm the Chief Technical Officer for Cloud and HPC Solutions. Welcome to the Altair booth at the Supercomputing 2017. One product that we would especially like to showcase, this particular product is an easy-to-use tool for the HPC admins, not only to create HPC clusters, define HPC clusters to be deployed on bare metal, but also to burst to the public cloud infrastructure or completely create HPC clusters on the public cloud infrastructure. So we have been focusing on computer-aided engineering as well as the simulation-driven design. So one of the recent acquisitions that we made was the CARIAD's IoT platform for creating and deploying smart connected products for the manufacturing space, and that's going to be a digital twin solution wherein not only are you positioning your sensors and deploying the smart connected product onto the market, we are also collecting the operational data and we are superimposing the operational data onto a digital 3D model so that we are able to right-size the design in the future and also be able to predict the remaining usable life of the product. We have been partnering with pretty much all of the hardware players as such, and so one of the reasons why we value these partnerships a lot is we are trying to gear ourselves to the exascale computing, and we are also a part of the Industry Advisory Council for the exascale project. And these partnerships not only give us insights into the advancements in the hardware to cater to the exascale computing so that we can innovate our products appropriately to make sure that we are ready for the exascale computing as well as HPC moving towards the cloud computing space.
Hello, I'm Jeremy Bourdon. I'm the director for PBS Cloud.io. PBS Cloud.io, it's a new SaaS platform that just released for SC17. It's a solution to deploy cloud appliances on every cloud provider. So we have a solution, it's really easy to use. Customers just have to bring their own cloud accounts. They go to Amazon, Google, or Azure to get access. They put it into PBS Cloud.io, and then they just have to bring their own license to deploy cluster and appliances on cloud provider. We bring also innovative feature to deploy and manage cloud appliances with a really simple drag and dropping applications interface to design your cloud infrastructure. And then when you want to deploy it on your cloud provider, you just have to click a few times, and after a few minutes, you will have an up and running cluster ready to submit jobs and make some remote visualization.
I'm Sergey Smirnov. I'm VP of Software Development. I'm really excited about PBS Control 2018. It's a great product for HPC administrators. They can create their computational cluster, deploy software on computational nodes. They can configure scheduling policies, set permissions for users, for groups, configure computational resources. When they deploy this configuration on the cluster, they can monitor the cluster. And if they want to see long-term trends of this, there is an analytics component too. And once they have this information, they can go into simulation mode. And with the help of simulation mode, they can see what happens if we change some computational policy, if we change some limits. And once they are happy with magic mix of computational scheduling policies, they can deploy these scheduling policies into the cluster and actually make it happen. So they have the full circle of configuration, analysis, simulation, and changes. So they can tune the cluster to their liking with the help of our tool, and all in one package using graphical environment.
Thank you for stopping on our booth, on Altair booth, to see our cloud solutions, and we wait for you next year at SC18 in Dallas, Texas.